wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
I'm so excited because I'm really looking forward to seeing the new Lion King movie, but because it's not out yet, I thought it would be a good idea to play a Lion Game activity.
Yay! Lion King game! This game is super fun. Yeah. This game is all about teamwork!
Teamwork?
Yay! Yeah, so...
Wait. We're not playing against each other, we're playing together?
Yep. You and I are on the same team for this one. Mm-hmm.
So who are we playing against then?
We are playing against the bad guys. They're called the Outlanders.
The Outlanders?
Yeah, so we're playing against the hyenas and the vultures and the snakes.
Oh, and who are we then?
We are the good guys. We are the Guard of Heroes.
Guard of Heroes? Is Simba part of the Guard of Heroes?
Yep. Simba is the main Guard of Heroes. So,
yay! Okay.
So Simba goes over there, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to get Simba to go to the top of the rock, top of the Pride Rock.
Right there?
Yep, the very top.
Okay.
And if Simba gets to the top of Pride Rock before any of the bad guys get to the Rainbow Rock at the front of Pride Rock, we win.
Okay.
Yep.
And then what about our good people down there up below? I see a hippopotamus.
Yeah.
I see a leopard.
Yeah.
And I don't know what kind of animal is that over there?
I think it's a skunk. Yeah.
Oh, a skunk.
Yep, a skunk.
Looks like a skunk.
Mhm,
Yeah.
Yep.
So are those on our team?
Yep. So those guys are on our team, and what happens is when you'll draw the card, and then
These here, right here.
Yep. Those cards right there.
Okay.
And then the top of the card will be the bad guy, and that bad guy will move forward one space. And the bottom of the card will be two good guys, and you get to pick which good guy moves forward, and the good guy moves that many number of spaces, and the good guys are trying to stop the bad guy. So we go to the bad guy, and if we touch the bad guy, if we land on the same square, we get to banish them and kick them off the board.
Okay.
Yep.
I think I got it.
Great. All
Shall
right.
we start?
Yep. Are we ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what happened?
So this is a card of one vulture moving forward.
Okay, so I move this vulture onto a spot like that.
And then I think we get to choose between the skunk and the leopard.
Yep.
And does the two mean two moves forward?
Yep, the two means two moves forward for the good guy.
Okay, so which one do you want to move? The leopard or the skunk?
I think let's move the leopard because the blue leads right there for the vulture, and we'll have to stop the vulture first.
Sounds good. Do you want to move the leopard?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna move the leopard 1 and 2. Got it. Okay.
Okay, so now it's my turn
Yep.
again.
And now you draw another card.
Or nobody's turn. I guess
It's both of our turn.
Oh, okay. So. Oh!
Roar!
I got a roar card.
So make the roar sound. Go roar.
Roar!
Very nice. So the roar card, actually, Simba gets to pick. So you get to pick which Outlander you kick off the board.
Oh, I want to kick off the vulture because he's on the board.
Yep. So we kick the vulture off.
Yay!
Yay! We're doing good. Okay. Pick
Next
another
card.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no! There's another roar card.
Uh-oh. Well, we can roar still, but yep.
Okay, let's roar again.
Roar!
Okay, but we can't throw anybody off.
Nope, there was nobody to throw off.
Oh, I hope we're gonna get more roar cards later on.
I hope so too.
Okay, so I have the picture of a snake.
Ooh, okay, so we'll put the snake on the board. I'll get the snake right there. Okay.
And then we can move the hippopotamus.
Yep, hippopotamus.
By 2 or the leopard by 3.
Okay,
I think we have to move the leopard by 3 because if not, the hippopotamus cannot move.
Oh, Oh, and we can move the leopard by 3 and knock off the hyena. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, let's do
I
that.
didn't see that last time. 1, 2, 3. Got you, hyena.
What happens if the hyena comes out now? Does it kick our leopard back?
Yep. Our hero would go back to the start space. Yep.
Okay. So, luckily though, the card that I drew is a snake again.
Uh-huh.
And, look. We can move the skunk by 3 or Simba by 1.
Yeah. Let's move Simba.
Okay,
Move
and do you
Simba.
want to move the snake?
Yep, okay, the
I'll move
snake
Simba.
moves 1. Ooh. The snake is advancing towards the skunk.
Now it's my turn again.
Yep, your turn again.
Oh, we have the picture of a vulture!
Vulture! Ah, vulture! Okay.
And then we have the picture of 3 steps forward for the skunk or 2 steps forward for hippopotamus.
Ooh, should we? Oh no, do 2 for the skunk, 2 for this. Oh wait.
No, it's 3 for the skunk.
Yeah, should we do the hippopotamus?
I would say do the hippopotamus.
Okay, I'm gonna do.
We'll do the hippopotamus
2.
dance.
I'm gonna do 1, 2.
The next card, is the snake.
Ooh.
That's not good.
No, it's not. The snake's getting close.
Yeah. And then we have a picture of the 3 steps forward for hippopotamus and 2 steps forward for the leopard.
Okay, so we'll do 1, 2.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah? Good? Okay.
Okay.
Great. Doing that part.
I want to have a Simba card.
Yeah, I do too. We haven't had very many of those. We've only had 1.
Well, I predicted it.
Yay!
I called it.
Yay,
we
yay,
have
yay,
a
yay.
Simba step and a vulture.
Yay! Okay, so, ooh.
We actually have 2 Simba steps.
So can you move him 2?
1,
2.
2.
Yay! That's awesome.
Yay.
Okay, want to pull another card?
I'm pulling another card. Oh, look! We have another Lion King.
Yay!
2
Lion
steps
King.
forward for Lion King
Woo!
and 1 snake.
Yeah, okay, 1 for the snake. Uh-oh. The snake is getting very close to the hippopotamus.
1, 2.
Okay. We have to
Only
see.
have 2 more steps for
Yeah.
Simba.
And if we get a snake, it's going to knock off the hippopotamus.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
We have 1 vulture. Oh, no!
Oh, no!
Our leopard is going to be kicked back.
Uh-oh. Oh, no! Boom! Sorry, leopard. You have to go back to the very beginning.
But
Aw.
look at this. We have 2 steps for hippopotamus or 3 for the leopard. I would say let's do 3 for the leopard.
Do you think, or... Oh, yeah, because we can get the hyena. Yeah.
Let's
Okay.
kick off the hyena.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Haha!
Perfect.
The vulture helped us on accident because then we got to kick off the other character.
He did.
Yeah, he didn't mean to, but he did.
Our next card is... Oh, no! It's a snake!
Oh, no!
Our hippopotamus gets kicked back.
Okay. So the snake bites the hippopotamus. Psh,
Ouch!
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 And the hippopotamus runs back to the beginning.
But I have good news. It's 2 steps for the leopard and 1 step for the skunk.
1 step for the skunk! Yay! Okay,
Bye-bye,
do you want to do it?
snakey,
Do you want me to do it?
No, you do it.
Okay, and bye-bye, snake. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're winning again.
Yeah, we're winning again. We're doing good.
Now we need a Simba card again.
Yeah, we do. Simba.
Oh, look! We got a hippopotamus card.
Oh, yay! But it's not going to help us.
Oh, what does it mean?
So the hippopotamus card is the bestie stomp. So the hippopotamus goes boom and stomps, and it knocks off any character, any bad character that's within 1 space. But there's no bad guy here.
Oh, okay, so that
still a
doesn't
good
mean
card,
anything.
but yeah.
Okay,
it just
still a
did
good
nothing.
card, but this goes in the discard.
At least there was no bad guy.
At least no bad guy.
Yeah, that's good.
That's true.
Yep.
Next card is 1 for the vulture.
Uh-oh, the vulture's getting close.
And then we have 2 for the hippo or 1 for the leopard. I would say let's choose the hippo.
Okay, 2 for the hippo.
Yeah.
To the red rock. 1, 2.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
I want the Simba card again.
I do too.
And we do!
Yay, Simba card!
1 step for Simba
Okay.
and 1 step for hyena.
Ooh, a hyena. Do you want to move Simba?
I'm gonna move Simba.
Ooh. I'm gonna get a different hyena. This hyena keeps falling over.
Yeah, get a different hyena.
I'm getting a different one. This one. There we go.
Okay.
Okay.
So we got a vulture on the board, we got a hyena on the board, snakes we kicked off. I feel like we have a good position and we only need 1 more for Simba.
Yeah, we need 1 more for Simba because if we get 2 more vultures, it could get to the rainbow.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I think our teamwork is good. So
Yeah.
let's continue working together.
Okay, let's keep going.
1 snake.
Ooh, 1 snake. Okay, we got a snake.
3 steps for hippopotamus.
Uh-huh.
Or
Or
1 Simba! We won! We won! We won! You do it! You do it! You put him all the way up on Prairie
I'm so
Rock.
excited. Simba!
Simba!
Simba wins!
A wimbo up, a wimbo up, a wimbo up, a wimbo up. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Ah, we will bump away. Oh, now I really can't wait to see Lion King.
Me too. And guess what? We can have Simba roar and knock off all the bad guys.
Yeah, roar!
Yay! I can't wait for the Lion King. That's gonna be so fun.
It will be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, kids, I think that's it for our game today.
Yay!
I hope you have the Lion King game at home too, and you can play it as well, and have just as much fun.
Yep.
We're gonna play with our characters now.
Yeah, let's play with the toys. I had a great time. Thanks, kids.
Yeah, and we'll see you next time, right?
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye. We all bump away. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Ah, ooh, we all bump away.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, great.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.